Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install maintenance cost tracking with Buildium, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start tracking maintenance costs in Buildium, log into your Buildium account. Once logged in, navigate to the maintenance section on your dashboard. Click on the settings option, which is usually found at the top right corner of the maintenance page. In the settings menu, locate the maintenance cost tracking feature. Toggle the option to enable maintenance cost tracking if it's not already activated. Next, select Add New Category to begin organizing your maintenance expenses. Fill in the category name, ensuring it reflects the type of maintenance costs you're tracking. You can also add a description for clarity and to inform your team about the category's purpose. After filling in the necessary fields, click Save to add your new category. Now return to the main maintenance page and select an existing maintenance request or create a new one. Once you are in the maintenance request, look for the Costs section. Click Add Cost to start entering details for the maintenance expense. Enter the amount spent on the maintenance task you are documenting. Select the appropriate category you created earlier from the drop-down menu. Optionally, add notes or attachments related to the expense for further clarification. After inputting all details, click Save to finalize the cost entry. Repeat these steps for any additional maintenance requests or costs you need to track. You can review all recorded maintenance costs by navigating back to the Maintenance Cost Tracking section. Use this information for more effective budgeting and forecasting in property management. Regularly check and update your maintenance costs to ensure accurate financial tracking. Consider running monthly reports to assess overall maintenance spending and identify trends. This will help you make informed decisions about future maintenance budgets and strategies. With these steps, you can effectively manage and track your maintenance costs using Buildium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.